Toby, would you give me one of those, that screw? Could you give me that screw? Thanks. We put the screw in Sophie. Look, we put the screw in there. Push it. Oh! Let me see. Can I see? Did you put the screw? You help me with the screw. Will you help me with the screw? Oh no. With the screw. Will you put the screw in there? The screw. Will you put the screw in there? Huh? Come on. Put the screw in there. Oh, alright. Alright. Give it a twist. Hey Sophie, could you hand me that screw? No? Oh! Well, how are we going to finish? Oh. Oh, you want it now. Hey, I'll trade you. Trade you. Now. Oh, it goes in, because we're going to make the table. Look, will you help me with your screwdriver? Help me with your screwdriver. Yeah. Give it a twist, twist, twist.